Most people download cash advance apps expecting instant financial relief, but the biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming every app works the same way or is truly free. In this video, we are breaking down the Klover in 2026 and answering the real question: is it actually worth using, or just another short-term money trap? Let's start with what Klover actually does. Klover is a cash advance app that gives you access to small amounts of money based on your income and banking activity. It connects to your bank account, analyzes your deposits, and determines whether you qualify for an advance. Now here's the immediate value you need to understand. Klover is not a loan app in the traditional sense. It is designed to help you cover small gaps between paychecks. For example, if Alex runs out of money before payday, Klover may offer a small advance to help him cover essentials like groceries or gas to buy. But here's the problem most users don't realize. The approval and limit are not guaranteed. If your income is inconsistent, or your account activity is low, your advance amount may be very small or unavailable altogether. Now, let's talk about how Klover makes money. This is where it gets interesting. Instead of charging high interest like traditional lenders, Klover often relies on optional features, data insights, and premium services. This means you might not always see obvious fees, but there can still be costs depending on how you use the app. In a minute, I'll break down the pros and cons so you can decide clearly if it fits your situation. Let's talk about the advantages first. Klover is fast. Once approved, funds can arrive quickly. It is also relatively easy to use, and there is no traditional credit check like a bank loan. That makes it appealing for users with limited credit history. But now, let's look at the downside. Limits are often small. You are not going to get large emergency funding. And for users who rely on advances too often, it can create a cycle where you are constantly borrowing against your next paycheck. For example, Jake used Klover multiple times in a month and realized he was always short again by the next payday. That's the risk you need to understand before relying on it heavily. Now, here's the key takeaway. Klover can be useful for short-term, small emergencies. But it is not a long-term financial solution or a replacement for budgeting. So, is it worth it in 2026? Yes, if you need occasional small advances and understand the limits. No, if you are looking for consistent large financial support or long-term stability. Here's the final summary. Klover is simple, fast, and helpful in emergencies, but limited in power and not meant for heavy financial reliance. If this review helped you understand Klover clearly, make sure to like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more honest app breakdowns in 2026.